You have a water boot in us, so you can't talk. Nah, good. Next thing later, grass go catch me. Choker make nice. How much in that fridge already? You have to left now. We have we don't have to left clothes because we have a lot of suitcase. You know, if your clothes not there, no, so it's have to go work. You left your white t-shirt them. So most that you go left. I remember. But we have suitcase space. We have pick them up off the ground.
No, I didn't pick them up.
Oh. Lord, I know things are going to bite up my poor foot them. I give up tree that? Yeah, I give up tree that, not it? Eh? That tree there? Yeah. At least we know something. See?
Alright everybody, so we are the right now. We have pick Ackee.
You are pick Ackee.
So when we just use this stick and pick them off by tree. You look up in a tree, you know, go see good feel because it might be lighting bad. When we just pull them down with the stick and then we pick them up and box them out of the pot and put them in a bucket. So you can see me have almost a bucket full of Ackee right here. So almost a bucket full and a lot more to go. So we have whole heap of Ackee to bring back home, you know.
I like the stick.
Basically, when we just go up in a tree and spot them out. We have to go climb a tree anyways because we can't pick all of them with stick. We just have to pick a few with the stick. We just pull them down with the stick. Like that. Then we pick them up. And while them pick up more than we pick more than that, we come pick up and we just pick them up and pat them out in a boat, you know. Like this. See that? Fresh Ackee. You know what we are tin at this home? A lot.
How much per dozen?
Yeah, how much per dozen? I will leave money with them something. So, who want Ackee? Link me up. We have a links with Ackee down here.
Yeah. Yeah, give away your Ackee.
So this is our just one tree still. We have whole heap of trees, some over there, so we have Ackee tree around, so just one tree. And we have a bucket, we have almost a bucket already and a lot more to go. So we have whole heap of Ackee to bring home, you know. On the height.
How will you pop there? Yes. Watch there. Boxwood.
Just need a proper bamboo stick.
You're a good climber.
Just need a proper bamboo stick, everybody, and we get woolly for Ackee.
You need a long bamboo stick. If you have a long bamboo stick, you don't have to climb, you know. Okay. Oh. Well, that's why I know why you climb me. Okay, if you want to drop out, I'm sorry for you. Well, alright.
Alright everybody, so basically we get a lot of Ackee right now. Tired right now, so I call it a
ow, a mosquito bite.
The mosquito bite we know it get late.
I'm feel a range up.
We are going, you know. We get a whole bucket full of Ackee right here, so we just clean up these, bag them up, put on the freezer to bring home, and then tomorrow we come and get and it might be a next 2 bucket or so, bag up and bring home, you know. So we have a lot of Ackee down here in Jamaica right now, just in case when I mention we are Jamaica right now. And this, in case you never know, this is Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish.
A national fruit.
Yeah, so what you gonna do? You clean up these.
Wait.
Yeah, drop.
Not in a rubbish heap.
I gotta clean up these and put them in a box. So, stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow. We have to pick more ackee earlier so you can see better and everything, you know. Alright, so stay tuned. That's it, you know. So right now we're also ackee, you know. Take out the seed out of it and clean out that thing from the inside. You clean out this, you're not clean this out, your stomach will sick or poison.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Or just a dance?
Now I need to clean it out. Just take out the seed out of it, you know. This. And then you clean out the inside here. See that?
Don't mess with anything now.